The Roomba Error 8 is a common issue encountered by users of iRobot's Roomba vacuum cleaning robots. This error typically indicates a problem with the device's battery or charging system. When the Roomba encounters an error 8, it will typically emit a series of beeps or a voice prompt, and the indicator light might flash in a specific pattern, signaling the problem. Error 8 can manifest due to several reasons. Number 1. Battery connection issues. Loose connections between the battery and the Roomba can trigger this error. It might occur if the battery isn't properly seated or if the contacts are dirty or obstructed. Number 2. Battery fault. A malfunctioning or degraded battery can cause error 8. Over time, Roomba batteries may lose their ability to hold a charge effectively, leading to charging errors. Number 3. Charging malfunctions. Issues with the charging dock, charging contacts on the Roomba or the power supply can also trigger error 8. If the dock's contacts are dirty or damaged, it can interfere with the charging process. To resolve the Roomba error 8, follow these troubleshooting steps. Number 1. Check battery connection. Ensure the battery is properly inserted and seated securely in the Roomba. Clean the battery contacts and the contacts in the Roomba to remove any dust or debris. Number 2. Reset the Roomba. Try resetting the Roomba by removing the battery, holding down the power button for around 5 to 10 seconds, reinserting the battery, and then attempting to charge it again. Number 3. Inspect charging dock. Examine the charging dock for any visible damage or dirt on the contacts. Clean the contacts on both the dock and the Roomba to ensure a proper connection. Number 4. Replace or recharge battery. If the error persists, consider replacing the battery with a new one. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.